Hello everyone. I am going to tell you how my 16-year-old student turned his $100 to $500. One of the first topics that I teach in my financial courses is concept of economy and macroeconomics. This means that us, as a trader, should understand that our minor capital and investments in financial markets has almost negligible impact against vast liquidity of financial institutions' impact. In other words, it is less than a drop that a river flows, so the only rational and smart approach toward this current we could do in the best case scenario is that we could assess the river's flow and act accordingly. I emphasizes that we cannot go one step ahead, but at least we could follow one step behind, and the reason for this is because in fact it is impossible to know all the news that affects the market and thoughts behind the closed doors of financial institutions' headquarters, because they are not one individual or two, rather they have complex of planning teams that they anticipate their next at least 3 steps and plans ahead. So in one of my courses at the end of year 2020, I predicted that most of financial institutions are focusing on Bitcoin and cryptocoin, and in those days, Bitcoin was booming through the roof and has hit its all-time high and was trading at significant number of $20,000, and according to my technical analysis of market, it was going to break its resistance levels and go to higher numbers too. While minor day traders wanted to invest in Bitcoin for their long-term purposes and probably gain a 40% profit midterm, that was logically good and promising investment. But the real flow of big money were to other side, that they could land 400%. As I told you, they got really powerful analysis teams. I was skeptical of this current that they initiated to invest in altcoins, and alt season was about to happen. So as a New Year gift, I told my students that they should be aware of this trend because rumors was beginning to spread in social media, and one of the biggest tips that I have learned over the years in financial markets is to buy into rumors and sell it in the news, and according to the technical analysis I had, I got good expectations of altcoins. At the beginning of New Year 2021, Bitcoin hit its all-time high once more, and I became more certain that alt-season trends is on the way and was getting closer. After the New Year's holiday, one of my students, that was 16 years old at the time, contacted me and told me that according to my instructions, he has found that Dogecoin has an upward trend and has buy pressure on it, and wanted my opinion, and I told him that he should trust himself more. 2 weeks later, Dogecoin price has increased 1,000% in just 2 days, and he profited more than 400%, and his $100 was then more than $500. Also, if he could control his emotions, he would have landed more profit, but there is no perfect person, especially at that age and range of emotions in teenagers. Remember, acknowledging smart money trend and following it is not only the best step in your long-term investment, but also as a day trader it is our most important duty. Stay tuned so I could step by step teach you how to do it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and thank you for your attention.